Where can you see yourself on a Montego Bay pontoon? Montego Bay pontoons are innovative, finished with only the highest quality components, high performance features, unmatched comfort and style, and superior craftsmanship. You can find the nation's leading pontoon manufacturer at Northport Marine, 37 miles northwest of Green Bay, Wisconsin, in the small town of Gillett, the world headquarters for Montego Bay pontoons. Let's take a look at the Montego Bay pontoon manufacturing process. Only select marine-grade 5052 alloy aluminum makes the cut. The flat aluminum is carefully fed into the CNC roller to ensure that an exact cylinder is created each and every time. The cylinder is bonded together by an automated precision CNC-controlled seam welder. Chambered baffles are installed to maintain its superior strength, and cylinder sections are added to reach the desired length of the pontoon model. Radial seams, nose cones, and domed end caps are tacked with a strong continuous weld to create an airtight tube. Extruded splash fins, welded keel strips, and heavy-duty M brackets are meticulously welded to provide strength and stability to the pontoon, as well as sturdy tie-downs. Each pontoon is built on top of the pontoon tubes. Heavy-duty, full-width C-channels are secured to the flooring M brackets in the early stages of deck assembly. Premium 3/4 7-ply marine-grade pressure-treated plywood decking is fastened to the C-channel crossmembers using stainless steel fasteners. Great care is taken to assure a smooth, flat surface and a watertight seal. A generous layer of adhesive is rolled onto the wood decking. One solid piece of marine-grade vinyl or woven flooring is rolled out, stretched, and rolled down to remove air pockets. The flooring is then stapled around the edges before installing the one-piece rub rails. Corner caps, lights, cleats, and other accessories are then installed on the edge trim. 1 1/4 inch aluminum rail tubing is completely welded on all 4 sides before getting anodized or powder coated. All Montego Bay pontoon railings are inspected and custom molded into the angles required to match the furnishings. A variety of colored side panels are available to be installed into the railings, as well as durable waterproof decals. Aluminum colored panels are installed with 1/8 inch foam tape to prevent any vibration. The finished railings can now be fitted and securely mounted to the deck. All rails are installed on top of 1/2 inch spacers to allow drainage and proper airflow to dry any moisture. Now the pontoon is beginning to take shape. Once the railings are installed, stylish furniture is placed and wiring harnesses are dressed in preparation for helm installation. Everything in the helm, from the gauges to the horn to the radio and Bluetooth stereos and speakers, are inspected and tested for durability and reliability of the connections. Using current technology and innovation with precision, including the use of computer processes, eliminates waste and saves production costs. The savings get passed on to you. Once the construction and wiring of a Montego Bay pontoon has been completed, this luxury vessel is taken to the finishing room, where the finest details are inspected. All custom canvas biminis and playpen covers are locally manufactured for a perfect fit. The pontoon is wrapped and carefully trailered for transport. Limited lifetime chassis warranties assure many years of enjoyment on the water. Unmatched comfort and style, superior craftsmanship, the highest quality components and performance. That's what makes Montego Bay pontoons America's choice.